This is Gerardo Del Real with Resource Stock Digest. Joining me today is the president and CEO of Revival Gold, Mr. Hugh Agro. Hugh, how are you today?
Excellent, Gerardo. Good to be with you.
It's a great morning to talk gold. It's a great morning to have a 3 million gold ounce resource that is growing. Gold is back at 1824. You and I talked a bit off air. I'm really encouraged by the fact that it's doing so alongside a dollar index that's at 94 as we speak, and all the major U.S. indices hitting new all-time highs, along with cryptos and collectibles and sneakers and all the other asset classes, right? I think we're on the verge of a breakout in the gold space, and I think Revival is one of the better speculations given not just the resource that's there, but given the upside. And that's what I wanted to chat a bit about today. You announced the completion of your 2021 drilling program at Bear Track Arnett in Idaho, of course. We know that gold projects in great jurisdictions are commanding a premium. We also know it's tax loss selling season, and I think Revival is a heck of an opportunity at these levels. Thoughts on that, and then let's talk exploration.
Well, there's a lot there, Gerardo. So first off, gold price, yes, we absolutely agree. A bit of an upswing here towards the end of the year, and for all good reason. Inflationary expectations moving from transitory to longer term. And of course, bond yields, 10-year bond yields, really shrinking here. So this is all good for gold, and it's good for Revival Gold because we've got this large resource, and you're seeing some action also corporately with the recent transaction from Golden Star with the Chinese money entering cash bid. We've seen the consolidation happening in the Americas with Calibre buying Fiore. And, of course, the big transaction of late since you and I last spoke is the Agnico Kirkland Lake. So the whole theme here of consolidation in the space, folks are running around looking for those seats to find to sit in here with scrambling for resources for the future. I think that all bodes well for Revival Gold. You brought up the drill program. We've just released a batch of results from the Haiti area. Big success there was in getting the infill drilling done that will convert inferred resource to measured and indicated, so giving us more confidence in that resource. But we also had one of the drill holes and in 1 gram oxide material at the bottom of the hole, so suggestive of the fact that we might have something that extends even deeper than the current pit is conceptualized at. And of course, the deposit's open in all 4 directions on the Haiti.
No, look, of the 8 holes that you reported on the 3rd of November, all of them encountered above cutoff grade near surface oxidized gold mineralization, which obviously is encouraging. But that one hole, I believe it was hole 78D, was 1.15 grams per ton over 13.7 meters. You referenced that. And again, it just kind of speaks a bit to the exploration upside, right? Hugh, you have a lot going on. You're in the midst of a resource estimate that you're hoping to bring out to the market relatively soon here. A lot of irons in the fire. There's an upcoming drill program. Walk me through what the next several quarters look like for Revival Gold.
Well, in the first instance, we've got to get the results out from the remainder of the 2021 program. We will have another hole out of the Joss area. That's our high-grade sulfide target. The rocks look good. We'll see what the assays produce for us. But in this area, we've intersected 85 meters of 2.7 grams and 50 meters of 2.8 grams, within which we have a high-grade core. So this is an exciting target for us. We'll have some more results from the Haiti, where we're infill drilling for the most part, but also we've got some expansionary opportunities here with the deposit and the drilling we've done there. So all that to come before the end of the year. And then, yes, resource update is underway, and we'll have that all together and released in the first quarter of 22 And we're very excited about that. Wood PLC is doing the work for us, taking over from RPA on our last resource, which was 2 years ago. So we'll have lots of drilling, and we'll have a healthy update. And the other thing we're doing with that resource is we're optimizing our mill parameters for the mill aspect of that resource. And so lots of engineering work going on in the background there. Also engineering and metallurgical test work going on with respect to the heap leach first phase opportunity. And that sets us up for our PFS, which we're targeting for completion by the end of 22. So lots on the go.
It's a whole heck of a lot going on for a company that's seeing its gold ounces valued at just $14. You have a market cap just over 43 million Canadian, Hugh. I think there's a pretty severe disconnect that's not going to last, and I think it's a great opportunity. Anything else to add to that, Hugh?
Yeah, look, I think as we put more ounces into the mine plan, it's just going to have that ripple-on effect of building NAV and underlying value. And we are seeing some of the major institutions and corporates perk up with these results we're getting in the Joss area in particular, but also with the expansions and possibilities around heap leach. So this is, it's a work in progress. We're ticking all the boxes. I just spent a week out in Idaho, and I can tell you we've got a very solid team and a lot of support locally for what's going on.
Well said. Hugh, always a pleasure. Thanks for coming on.
Thanks, Gerardo.
All right, chat soon.